What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Bard with Google Docs. First, go to your browser and then search for bard.google.com and then sign in to your Google account. After you sign into your account, tap the Try Bard Now. In the text box at the bottom, enter your question or your prompt. You also have the option to add a photo to your prompt by tapping the Upload Image on the left side of the text box. After typing your questions, tap the Submit icon, then wait for it to finish creating the answer. Then scroll down to the bottom. You can see here different tools. You can modify the response, and you can also search it to Google. Now to export this Google to Google Docs, click the share icon, then choose Export to Docs. Wait for it to finish creating the document. Then after that, click the Open Doc. It will redirect you to another tab. And there you go. And it will automatically save the Google document to your Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.